A very good morning, students. Today's we are discussing a topic that is synthesis of methadone hydrochloride. So before the discussion of synthesis, we should know about the drug methadone hydrochloride. The methadone hydrochloride drug is related to the narcotic analgesics. So the analgesics are the agents that relieve pain by acting centrally to alleviate pain without disturbing consciousness or altering other secondary metabolites. Okay, certain analgesics like aminopyrine and phenylbutazone also possesses anti-inflammatory property. Such substances and the gold compound are used in the treatment of arthritis. So many drugs that are used to relieve pain are not analgesic, but the general anesthetic relieve pain by producing unconsciousness. And local anesthetics prevent pain by blocking peripheral nerve fibers. Antispasmodic relieve pain by relaxing smooth muscles, and the adrenal corticoid relieve pain associated with rheumatoid arthritis by anti-inflammatory action. So now come to the synthesis of the methadone. For the synthesis of methadone, we have 2,2-diphenyl acetonitrile and another product, that is 2-dimethyl aminopropyl chloride. Actually, for this compound we also known as 3-chloro 1-dimethyl aminopropane. Okay, this is the IUPAC name of this product. Whenever these both products are reacting with each together in the presence of some compounds, some sodium compounds, the reaction is known as the condensation reaction, and it makes an intermediate product, this one. And this intermediate product is reacting with Grignard reagent, this one, RMGBr. Okay, this one in the presence of an alkali, that is NaOH, and makes the finally drug, that is methadone. Okay, this is the drug of methadone. Now come to the uses and properties of this drug. It is a white or almost white crystalline powder, freely soluble in ethanol and soluble in water. Even methadone, which looks structurally different from other opioid agonists, has steric forces that produces a configuration that closely resembles the opioid agonist. Understand? And methadone is a more active and more toxic than morphine. Okay, this is the property of this drug, and it can be used for relief of many type of pains. Its analgesics effect is twice that of morphine and 10 times than the morphine, meperidine. Okay, the toxicity of methadone is 3 to 10 times than of morphine, but its analgesic effect is twice that of morphine and 10 times of meperidine. This is the properties and use of this drug. And the storage conditions is, it should be stored in well closed airtight container and protected from the light. Okay, doses form are it's available is in injections, tablets forms, and linctures, oral solutions also. Okay, this is the properties of this drug, uses of drug, and this is the methadone synthesis. And I have to tell you about the analgesic also what these drugs. So methadone is a drug which is used to relieve of pain. many types of pain are relief. Okay,